We have caused deforestation of 50% of the rainforests. We have made almost 59% of the vertebrates on Earth go extinct just in the last 3 decades. We are only 0.01% of the Earth's biomass, but we kill a monstrous 72 billion land animals and 1.2 trillion aquatic animals every year. How much we consume and take from the earth. We cannot have our homes safe when the rest of the earth is burning. What all these millions of life forms ask of humanity is to simply let them be, to respect their boundaries and their living spaces is our dharma. Not to hurt their homes and families is our dharma. Not to take so much from the earth that we leave nothing for other life forms is our dharma. To live consciously and compassionately is our dharma to the earth.